The morning sun, the sky is blue. Hello, sunshine, the sky is so blue. We're by the pond, just me and you. We're by the pond walking together. Look who's swimming, fluffy and small. Look who's swimming with cute yellow feathers. One little duckling, come say hello. A little duckling, come say hello to us. One little duck goes quack, quack, quack. One little duck goes quack, quack, quack. Two come swimming, not turning back. Two come swimming, not turning back. Come with me, it's so much fun. Let's count, it's so much fun. Let's count ducklings, one by one. Let's count the ducklings, one by one. 3 and 4, here they glide. 3 and 4 swim side by side. 5 is coming side by side. 5 is coming side by side. They paddle gently, splash and play. Swim happily, splashing water. We could count them all day. We could count them forever. 6 comes jumping from a bush. 6 jumps out from the green bush. 7 swims with gentle push. 7 swims gently in a flock. 6, 3 ducklings in a line. Their little feathers shine and shine. Their golden feathers are so shiny and sparkly. 8 and 9 now join the team. 8 and 9 add to the group. Like a happy swimming dream, like a happy swimming dream. They go around, they spin and cheer, they spin and cheer. We love ducklings, they're so dear. The ducklings are so cute. 10 little ducklings, here we go. 10 little ducklings, here we go. Quack, 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 they're in a row. Quack, 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 line up. We count together, sing and play. We sing and count. What a bright and happy day. What a beautiful and happy day. Goodbye, ducklings, see you soon. Goodbye, ducklings, see you soon. Under the sun and silver moon. Under the golden sun and silver moon. We'll come back to laugh and play. We'll come back, let's sing together. By the pond another day. By the pond another day.